Danny Adamson, I'm the Managing Director at Messagemaker Displays. Just over 9 years, and my first role was pretty much the MD's role. The career high would be taking Messagemaker from a small LED business through to a company capable of putting signs on the SRN. I have got a career low. The day that we shut the place down for COVID was a really, really sad day. Promote Santosh. We don't suffer from corporate pet peeves because we're a little SME and we're quite pacey, so I don't really have any corporate pet peeves. Risk and reward are inextricably linked. I picked that up on my MBA about 20 years ago. People. Everything to do with people, whether it's building relationships with my colleagues or our clients and becoming partners, it's all about people. Probably, I don't want to say this now, probably one of the directors at Messagemaker Displays, Jeremy, a really good guy. Oh, it's the people again. I think it's the collaboration. We all have to collaborate to get projects over the line. So yeah, it's the people again. Poorly. We were working yesterday, and yesterday was Sunday, so I love work, so I'm more than happy to do work at any time, but I think anyone who knows me knows I get out and about and have a bit of fun as well. Ooh. Well, it's bound to be your mobile phone, isn't it? So I'd guess the mobile phone. Nobody's going to listen this far, so I'm going to say quantity surveyors.